I don't know. Hi, it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. I hope your day is going well. I hope you're staying safe and I hope you're staying healthy. Today, we're going to be opening up a box I actually haven't opened up in quite a while. The Medusa's Makeup for April 2020. For those of you that are unfamiliar with the Medusa's Makeup beauty box, this particular box runs $16.95. It is a monthly subscription and you can actually save a little bit if you sign up for 3, 6, or 12-month plans. All products included in the box are vegan and cruelty-free, and you usually get 4 full-size products included. A typical box would include 1 beauty product and 3 makeup products. It's free shipping throughout the US, but it does cost a little bit more to ship internationally. I'll actually put a link down below so you can sign up if you're interested in what they have. But before we jump right into the video, you know what I'm gonna say? I know, I say it all the time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you can get to see some more of me. And if you like this video, throw a thumbs up right on there. If you missed my last video on the Natasha Denona mini retro palette, I'll actually put that right up there for you. That way you can watch it at your leisure. All that said, let's go into the video and see what I got included in the box this month. So opening up the box, Get happy. I'm assuming that's the theme this month. At the back of the card, it actually has a full list of everything that comes included this month, brief description about the product, and how much it costs. And the total box value this month is $42.89. Oh, it's a nice little sticker that says, Get happy. The box actually did come in an outer package, which I really appreciate. I sprayed that down before I opened it up. More packaging, but safer. And this is what it looks like inside, so just open that up. A Medusa's Makeup Witch Hazel Waikiki Hibiscus Facial Toner. And this is vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. I love the label on this. It's very Hawaiian. It's a natural and effective cleansing agent. Witch hazel soothes, refreshes, and cools the skin. Great for sensitive skin. And this is $12.95. Alright. My face is freshly washed. It's drying out really hardcore right now. So I'm gonna use this witch hazel. This doesn't really smell like witch hazel, does it? It has aloe leaf juice in it. Glycerin. Oh, there's fragrance in it too. Yeah. So weird. What in the world? Hey! Why doesn't it have witch hazel in it? Why did you call it witch hazel if it doesn't actually have witch hazel in it? I don't know. So I'm just going to spray it on here. It is nicely scented. Put a little bit more. It dries out pretty quickly. This is such an aggressive spray. It is very soothing. I'm assuming it's that aloe that they have in there. Yeah, that was really nice. I wouldn't say I'm impressed. I'm just okay with it. I mean, but it feels good. Puts a little bit extra moisture back in my skin because, you know, I dry out real quick. This is New York. Although it has been getting warmer. Spring is here, so it has been getting warmer. I'm gonna have to check and see which one of these is actual witch hazel. That's so funny. I'm like, where's the witch hazel in it? Shouldn't witch hazel just be written? Cucumber Facial Sheet Mask, which soothes and cools skin, while the blend of moisturizers leaves skin smooth and silky and restores hydration and brightens. And this is $4.99. And this is also cruelty-free and vegan, and it's by Beauty Host is the company that makes this. Oh, and it has an expiration date right on there. April the 5th, 2022. So this can go for quite a bit. Oh yeah, this smells like cucumber. Oh! And we have drippage.
Drip, drip, drip.
A lot of, ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Drip, drip, drip.
Do not like drippage. Just so messy. So slimy. What in the world? Apply the mask to the face and make the white pearlized film face outwards. There's a pearlized film? I don't see any pearlized film. Does this look pearlized to you? What the hell? Alright, well, I don't see a pearlized film, so. Oh, it's cold! It is cold! Ooh, boy! Ooh, ooh, this one is cold! Jeez. I do like how it's cut out so you can adjust the sides to match your face. Ooh. The hole is crooked once again. This one does not work for big faces. Yeah, there's like a whole section. This one isn't that big. This is such a weird mask to put on. Oh my god, I look like... This makes my face so much longer. I feel like Jason. like, or is it Michael? One of them killers. Holy cow. Who came up with this? Like, I feel like it should go up higher, but I don't want my mouth to be covered with this stuff. I do not want to ingest it. So I'm just going to take this off. It's clearly dried down. Ugh. And I'm just supposed to rub this into my skin. Actually, was not a fan of that mask, but I gotta say my skin looks very, very hydrated. I'm not a fan of the structure of the mask. Like, it just didn't sit well on my face. The holes were like misaligned. Wasn't a fan of the mask itself. But my face feels really, really hydrated. It looks hydrated, feels hydrated. Wow, okay. Yeah, and my pores look a little blurred too. For $5, and you can like see an instantaneous result. Not bad, not bad. Rinse with clean water. Then it feels so good. Why are you supposed to rinse your face after you're done? This is like the weirdest freaking thing. I rinse my face. It still does feel hydrated. It looks like it is drying out a little bit, but it's okay. Wow, that mask was really surprising. I was about to give it a big fat F, but no, it's like a A-. Definitely hydrated your skin, so whoever did that one was like on point. Medusa's Makeup Liquid Eyeshadow in Maryland. I'm curious as to what color it is because I have gotten a few of their liquid eyeshadows. Shimmer and glisten with liquid eyeshadow. Rich, beautiful color with a high shimmer sheen. No glitter, just pure shimmer. Wear alone or over eyeshadow. This is $13. Okay, let's open this up and see what it looks like. It looks like it's black. I don't know how I feel about that. A black eyeshadow? That's gonna be real dark, girl. It's gonna be real dark. Usually I'm a fan of everything they send me. Well, not everything, let's not be crazy, but this is black. Oh my goodness. Smudge it out a little bit. So you can make it gray, which I like, but wow, it's black, girl, it's black. You know, I will attempt it. It's not like I have anywhere to go anyway. Let's attempt this bad boy. Wow, okay. Alright, and I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. Okay, it's not like a deep black. I like that it can blend out to like a gray, because I don't know how I feel about straight up black. I don't know, that's not bad actually. Although it makes me feel like I have a black eye. Yeah, it's not really a black. I would say it's like a gray once you like start playing around with it, but it is dark though. It is dark. I prefer the blend with my finger with their liquid eyeshadows. It's just a lot easier. Oh my goodness, it looks like someone literally just like pop right in the face. My eyes are looking dark. Yeah, this one isn't for everyone. I'm not really sure why they would include black. I have my eye makeup all done. It is looking dark. Just really, really dark. Matte liquid lipstick. And this is in the color Shag. Shag goes from wet to matte in a matter of seconds. Our Stay On All Day formula glides on smooth for easy application, then dries to the perfect matte lip. And this runs $11.99. I don't know how I feel about this color. It is awfully pink. I don't know how I feel about Medusa this month. I mean, this eyeshadow is so dark, and I definitely went a lot heavier with the eyeliner just to make everything count, but it is like, wow, putting me through my paces here. Oh boy, this is looking worse and worse every time. Actually smells pretty decent. It smells good. Oh, that's like a peach. Ooh, it's like a peachy pink. It's still awfully light. So I'm just gonna go super light with this because it's awfully scary, that's all. So I'm just gonna, oh boy. As usual, I still have dry skin on my lips. I should do this with a lot of my mattes. All the light ones, just like start dabbing. It is sticky though. Not bad, not bad. Yep, that's what I was trying to avoid. It's not bad. It's not a bad color. Definitely have to go sparingly just because it's very startling if I use too much, but it's okay. Yeah, I can't say that's my favorite color. All in all, this month for Medusa's makeup, it was a little shaky. Well, that's it. That's the video. Have a good one. Bye.